Good afternoon. I'm Kathy with the Enchanted Quilt, and welcome to our Friday afternoon inventory unboxing. We got a lot in this week. Actually, more than what I thought we were expecting. Alright, we've got some pineapple trim rulers in. Those have been back ordered for a while. And we've got a new line of layer cakes called Lollipop Garden. And I'll kind of show you. This is by Leela Boutique. And these are, her stuff is just really, really pretty. Ooh, look at those purples. Some blacks, some teals, some greens. And these are early. The layer cakes we have right now are early. The yardage and the other pre-cuts, I'm trying to remember when they're supposed to come out. April or May. I want to say April. And we've got like 3 or 4 bolts coming that goes with that. All right, new fig tree line. This is called Chantilly. This line, she's coming back to her lighter colors. There for a while, she was introducing some navies and some darker colors in. And here are the jelly rolls. Got a lot of stuff to open, so I better move all this. We've got strawberry jam jelly rolls. We've got the Chantilly, well, if I can get them out. The Chantilly charm packs. Maybe you can see it here. Of course, there are normal peaches and greens. This looks really springy, and the real pretty taupes and teals. Some more greens and some light peaches. This is just a really pretty line. So if you're a fig tree fan, there it is. Okay, strawberry jam, the charm packs, and the layer cakes. Okay, and then here's the Chantilly layer cakes. This is Best Press. The most popular scent in the Best Press here is the unscented. And that's what we were out of, so we reordered the Best Press. I got a whole box of it. Sit it down here. We got a 108-inch wide, and it's hard when you're ordering online. This wasn't what I expected when it came in. It's pretty, but it's just not what I expected. It looks like burlap, but I thought this would be good on the back of Western quilts or quilts that you're doing, guy quilts. This would be a nice, manly looking backing. See if I can lay it there without knocking it over. All right. We've got Country Bunnies. And if you haven't been in, we have a sample hanging with the bunnies. It's been very popular. She has a brand new pattern out called Woven Hearts. And that's a really pretty one. We'll probably get something made out of that pattern. We got the glue stick refills in pink back in. We've got the Lori Holt Vintage Christmas. Love her books because it's got the spiral in it. And this is just a really, oh, there's snowmen. I haven't even had a chance to really look at this book because we can't keep it long enough. The trees and the cars. Her stuff is just so good, and every bit of it's pieced. It's not applique. Now, she does do applique, but not in her book. All right, we've got some Wrap and Zap, which is the cotton batting that you use to make the microwave potato bags and that sort of thing. Doesn't have any chemicals in it. And we've got some, we just ran out of the template plastic. This one's a little smaller than the other one we used to carry. They don't have that anymore. I think this is 12 by 18. So if you ever need to make a template, we have the plastic here. We just don't keep it out. We keep it up by the counter. So if you need it, you have to ask for it. And I can't get it out because it's taped in here. See how big that is. Yeah, you buy it by the sheet. It's like $1.99 for a sheet. Okay, now we got some big boxes here. I showed you some really cool fabric last week. We've got a sample done already out of it, and I wanted to show it to you. Lisa was working on the binding. Is it done?
The binding's not completely on.
Oh, okay. She said it's not quite done yet, but it turned out awesome. It's with that safari fabric that's so bright. It turned out really nice. All right, we got a bolt of Cuddle. This is the pale pink. Somebody was asking about pink for baby, so I ordered this pink. This is the, I believe, the 60-inch wide. Let's see if I can get this off so you can see the color a little bit better. So you can see it's really soft. We've been using this for backings. You don't have to, but that's what we've been getting it for. Okay, we got a couple more of the ruler safes in. These are the pink ones, and I'll open it up. I know we've shown them to you before, but if you haven't been watching, you won't know what I'm talking about. So the pink and the purple are my favorite. Actually, they're all pretty, but we have them in pink, purple, and blue. The purple's been the favorite, I think, and then the pink. And the blue's pretty, too. Let's see if I can pull this out. These ruler safes are, I think they'll hold about 10 rulers. And see how shiny it is? It's so pretty. It has latches, and it's got this egg crate foam in it. And it has the Velcro straps to strap them down. And I think it holds close to 10. And it will hold a 24-inch ruler. So if you're going to retreat, or even if you just want to store them in your sewing room, would be keep them safe so you won't have to worry about knocking them off and chipping a corner or something off of them. If you have a birthday coming up, that on your birthday list or something. Got them in pink. That's the pink one. And I think this other one's pink too. Put these down here. There might be some purple ones in this box. Nope, I was wrong. This is a bolt of fabric. This is another wide backing. We ran out of some greens. Somebody needed a forest green the other day, and we couldn't reorder the one we had. So this was pretty close, and this is really pretty. Maybe this is the purple roller safes. If you or anyone you know is interested in a basic skills quilting class, we're going to start one up in May. We will meet once a month for about an hour. Strictly demo. You don't have to bring all your stuff from home. Just have them call here, come by. We've got some information we can give them. These big boxes are... Okay, these are the purple ones. Open one. I just pulled it out here so you can see the color. Isn't that pretty? I'm more of a pink fan, but I sure do like this purple one too. There, got it back in there. Okay, so we have a couple purple ones. Last box. Okay, this is the strawberry jam coordinates. See all the pretty strawberries. And we are in the process of making a sample out of this, and it is absolutely beautiful. I saw it at market, and I know everyone will love it. This is not just plain white. I don't know if you can see. It's got like little crosses on them, is what it kind of looks like. Or little X's. Maybe they're supposed to be X's. This would be pretty as the binding. Okay, that's all we have for this week. All right, Miss Quilty is gone, so I guess I get to do the honors. Susan Pakanowski, you are the winner of our Facebook Live drawing this week. I will drop that in the mail on Monday, and have a great weekend.